Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing something special. Right behind me, we have a bulldozer, which is going to be used for a special kind of video. I'm wearing bulletproof armor, helmet, vests, all shin guards, everything. I have an M4 strapped around my chest. And today we are going to, well, we're going to take a bulldozer, um, and we're going to see if what we can do, mess around with cops, flip over cars, you know, the usual. So, speaking of all that, like, share, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. Alright, and we finally got set up. We're on the road now. So, with this car, or bulldozer, I should say, flipping cars is very easy to do, almost too easy. For example, here we're gonna let these cars pass. I'm gonna be a good Samaritan. We're gonna let them pass, or they're just gonna turn and then. Oh, I missed. God dang it! All right, if once a car comes past, I'll show you it. Actually, no, there's a car behind me. I'll just do the good old U-turn in the middle of the road. I think there's a cop over there. It's fine. We're just gonna come here and demonstrate. Yeah, okay, that was really bad. I think I killed him. I killed him. Okay. So yeah, this is honestly a pretty stupid. Oh, I can pick it up. And I can drop it, which is amazing, but horrifying at the same time if you're on the receiving end of it. So I think we're just gonna start running around and, well, you know, flip people, because why not? Like this truck here? Nah, it's off. And boom. Try not to get stuck over it. I mean, this is fun. So far we're 3 for 3, or 2 for 2, I suppose I should say. Forward. Can't let her leave. Yes. No, don't die. Alright, we have a witness to carry on our legacy. So we're just gonna be flipping this. Flip it. It's like Bop It, but the flip it version. And we're just gonna... Oh, I missed. Dang it. Ooh, he's a challenge. Wait. No. No. What? No. Man. Come here. Dang it. No, come back. I wanted to see if I could flip it. Crap. No, honestly, I'm surprised that the police car is not driven down this way yet. I'm very surprised, actually. I'm pretty sure I saw 1 or 2 of them drive past earlier. Because if I see a cop car, I'm flipping it over. Like, it's just happening. Like, I'll give you a demonstration right here. This is what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna flip it. That was a pretty good flip. Oh, he flipped it. God, I'm not good at this. I'm trying, but I'm just not. Can I ram it over? Ooh, that's gonna explode. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Oh, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Alright, that was almost pretty bad. Okay, I know I've done a lot here, so I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna drive down this way. There's a car behind me. And then I think we're gonna just try and I gotta find that cop. But I think we're just gonna start flipping cars around that we see. If we feel like they deserve it, that's what we're gonna do. For example, I think these guys deserve it. Oh! Oh no. Okay, it still works. Okay, we're good. I didn't know it was gonna explode. Oh god, I don't know how this is still alive. Alright, let's try and flip a semi. Oh, I don't think I can flip a semi. Dang it. Oh no, I did. You can. Nice, let's go. I can create my own traffic jam with this. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Nope, don't flip it over. God dang it. Alright, we're gonna flip this up and over that. Alright, no, don't leave, no. I'm trying to create a traffic jam. Alright, we're just gonna flip this smart card. Oh, no, I didn't even flip it. I missed. Alright. Just fit it in the bucket. I'm surprised, honestly. I'm surprised that I can't fit in the bucket. I'm sad. But I think we're gonna go back over here. And we're gonna cruise along here. And okay, I'm gonna put down the front so I can see. I wonder what does it look like to be in the first person. All right. Can't really see much. Oh, you can lock it. Meh, kinda. All right, take two. Take two. Take two. Oh, stop honking. You're fine. It's only a slight scratch. Alright, he's good. You had to move him out the way. Oh, there's that cop I was talking about. Well, speaking of which, hello, officer. Alright, you know what? Fine, I'll pull over for him. We'll be nice. We'll pull over for him, I guess. I guess we'll pull over for him. I don't want to. We'll see where this leads to. But oh, yeah, hurry up, man. Hurry up. I gotta make an exit strategy. Okay, he's coming on that side of the car. Interesting. Hello, officer. How might I help you this evening?
Sir, hello?
Yeah, how might I help you this evening?
Hello, sir. I'm Chase P with the San Andreas Highway Patrol. I'm stopping you because I saw you flip a big raid, and you did an illegal U-turn right here. What's going?
I don't know what you're talking about, officer. I have no clue what you're talking about. I think you, hey, I think you might have, seen something that didn't happen. I don't know if you're right or not. What do you want me to do, officer? What do you want me to do, officer?
So can you step out of the vehicle for me? It's very loud. I can't hear. I
Uh,
can't hear you. Sorry.
no, I don't want to step out of the vehicle.
Sir, can you please step out of the vehicle for me?
No.
Or can you at least turn off the engine for me?
Okay, yeah, I can do that. Oh, whoops. Alright, is that better? Is that better,
Yes,
officer?
much better. So can I get some identification, please? Identification.
Yeah, funny thing, I don't have my identification with me,
Oh,
so... You know, actually, I think I gotta go.
sir, please step out of the vehicle.
Are you sure? Do I have to? Alright, officer, I'm gonna go.
Sir, this is the last one we're asking for.
Oh, yeah, you draw the taser. I'm out. Nope, I'm out. I'm not gonna get tased. No. We're gonna do a 1080 in a bulldozer. Because he can't pit me. What is he gonna do? See, I mean, he can't pit me. I don't know what he's gonna want to do. Oh, sure would be a shame. Oh, I have a bulldozer. You know what we can do now? Oh, he doesn't. This officer doesn't control the law. I do. No. No, turn. Turn. Oh. No. God. Oh, this thing drifts. I didn't realize this thing drifts. Alright, we're gonna go away from like, we're out of here. He can't catch us. Okay, maybe he can't catch us. I don't know what he's doing, but I'm out. I think it would be a lot faster just to run, honestly. No, I'm not pulling over. No, go away. I do what I want. Oh, I missed. God. I know what we're gonna do. We're gonna run. We're gonna go into this abandoned hotel. We're gonna run to the rooftop, and we're just gonna dip. That's what we're gonna do. I have my AR with me, so I think that's what we're gonna do. All right, we gotta run, 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 run. Hopefully he doesn't shoot. Oh, there he is. All right, all right. I gotta get to this rooftop. Oh, I went on the wrong side of the building to climb up, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Oh no, I didn't. All right, we're gonna run to this side. Oh god, okay, and then I believe there's a pathway through here. Boom. Yep, we're doing good so far. Nope, that's the wrong way. Alright, we gotta come through here. Coming to the roof. Alright, I should be able to see him from up here. I grabbed this AR off the black market a couple of weeks ago. Um, oh, there he is. Because I don't want to get taken in by the cops. I can't. I don't want, I have too much to live for. I don't know where he is though. I should have grabbed a pistol to talk. Oh, there he is. I want to wait for him to shoot first. Oh. I, guy, where is he? I think, is he right there? Should I think, I don't, oh god, I don't know. You know what? Okay, I think we're just gonna jump down, or not gonna jump down. I think we're just gonna run down, try and get back in the bulldozer. If I can, if I can flip him, I will take that as a success. Successful. I will take it as a successful day if I'm able to flip his car. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Alright, we're gonna put that to my chest. We're gonna step in it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Go, go in the first gear. Jesus, this thing shifts so slow. Yes, please. Oh, he's behind there too. God, this thing does not want to flip. Ooh. You know what? Good enough. I'm so. Oh, it's gonna explode. It's gonna explode. Oh, crap, 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 crap. Uh oh. You know, I'm okay. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm just gonna run away. We're gonna be fine. If I'm just run away, we will be fine. Wherever he is. Yeah, but that's what the police deserve. This is what they deserve. Oh, there he is. The police deserve this. They screwed me over so many times. They've stolen from me. They've given me useless tickets. This is my redemption. Finally. Ooh, I could take him out right here. Ooh, should I? Should I take him out? I can take him out right now if I want to. Oh, I missed. Uh-oh. Oh crap. Oh crap. Okay. No, okay. I have pretty good armor on, and I have some bullets left. I have a lot of bullets in this bag. So I think if I rush, but I don't know if I want to do that because I might get clapped. Did they just run into my bulldozer? Oh, ow, 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 oh, where, ooh, where, ow, God, ow, that hurts. Oh, oh, ow, oh, ow. Oh, oh, oh my God. God, no.